So you've got an online business and you've got an idea for a product, but you're not sure how to validate it. That's the subject of today's video. Jim Hart. I'm the founding attorney here at Hawthorne Law, and we produce videos that help you protect your business and build something that really matters in the world and in your life. Today is the first of kind of a different type of series that I'm going to be doing here on the channel, where I'm going to be talking more about the business aspects of growing your online business, and specifically for you creators out there who are looking to build something and looking to earn a living on social media. This is going to be a great video for you. So today I want to talk about 4 ways that you can test your business idea before you actually launch something, before you waste months and months and hours and time and all sorts of time of your life putting something together just to hear crickets. All right, step number 1 is you need to develop a vision. You need to know what it is that you want to create and how it's going to change for the better the life of the person who is going to use your product. So who is going to be using your product? How is it going to make life for them better? That's the first thing you need to do. And so you need to develop a vision of what you see your product doing for them. So you're going to need to know a couple things. You need to know who it is you're selling to, and you need to know what their pain point is, and you need to know what your product is going to do to alleviate that pain point. So you have to kind of create a story that surrounds what it is that are the benefits of your product or service that you're going to be offering. Once you've done that, you can move on to step number 2. You need to identify some critical assumptions. And the first thing you need to know is, and probably the most important critical assumption you need to make is, are people actually going to buy this product? Because, you can talk to people informally, and a lot of people will tell you, oh yeah, that sounds like a great idea. I will totally buy that product. But when it comes time to, well, can you pull out your credit card and give it to me so that you can pay for that product? It's usually... So you want to test that critical assumption of, will people actually purchase this product? So how do you do that? This is where most people make the mistake of, they just create the product, and once they're done creating the product, they put it out there and then, nothing. So what I propose to you is that you actually need to create either a minimum viable version of that product, or you need to create something that kind of shows people what that product is going to be and ask them to buy it. So you can do that a number of different ways. You can collect pre-orders. There are websites out there that will allow you to collect pre-orders where you don't actually get paid until the product ships. That's one way to do it, and so you don't have to worry about holding onto somebody's credit card information. You just would have them put their order in there. Then you've got people that are ready to buy, and when the product is ready to ship, you charge their card and then you go. That's a great way to do it. The other way to do it is through crowdsourcing. And so there are campaigns out there like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, different things like this, where you can basically let the public know what it is that you want to sell or what it is you're offering to them, and see how they respond to that idea. And if they respond favorably to that idea, and if you raise enough money through your campaign, then you can go ahead and launch that idea, and then you'll get paid for whatever the pledges were for your Kickstarter or Indiegogo campaign. That's how that works. A third way that you can test out your idea is you can actually run ads to it. So you can think about who your customer avatar is, and you can run ads to that avatar on Facebook or Instagram or something like that, and see if people will actually click through. What are the click-through rates? How many people are watching the video you create? How many people, if people aren't clicking through and converting, Facebook's going to stop showing your ad anyway. So look at those rates, look at how many people, where they're dropping off, or if they're going all the way through and clicking the buy now button. You can actually create a landing page that says buy now, clicks on the buy now button, and then it takes them through to a page where they can put all their information in except for the credit card, and then once they put that information in, if they click through that to enter their credit card details, you can say, hey, product isn't quite ready yet, we'll email you as soon as it is. Then that's kind of very close to a conversion. You're not collecting any credit card information, but you know that those people have an intent to purchase your product. They just haven't gone through to the sale. So that's something you can do as well. Again, those 3 things are, you can collect pre-orders on your own, you can do a crowdfunding site, or you can collect orders through like a Facebook ad campaign or something like that. So then the final version is you create the product, and at some point you're going to have to create a minimally viable product. and you're going to have to try and sell it. And you create, don't go all out and create everything, but create something minimal and try and sell it to the world and to your avatar. And if people buy, you can make changes. You can do it as a beta version, and you can kind of go from there. And if people like what you're offering, then at some point you can continue to improve the product and use the money you generate from the initial sales to fund your further research and development of future iterations of that product. That's kind of what you could do. So a couple additional resources that are very helpful when it comes to trying to figure out whether or not your product will sell are Will It Fly by Pat Flynn. It's a book, and also a book which I have here, I think. Yes. The Lean Startup by Ries is another great book that will help you understand what you need to do to minimally launch your product and get buy-in before you actually invest months and months and months of time and money and effort into putting something out there for the world. The reason I'm doing this video today is I'm actually in the process of testing an idea. And if you would like to get more information on that, you can click the link above here, or there's a link in the description. And I'm in the process of putting together an e-course that will help people who are looking to protect their business online and build something that matters to the world. And so I'm interested if you would like to help me on that. I'm putting together a Kickstarter campaign. Like I said, links below. If you're interested, we appreciate your support, and the more people that are interested, the better the product will be, and the more value I can put out there in the world through this channel and everything else. So if you like this type of video, if you want more videos on how to build your online business, give us a thumbs up. I'm thinking about switching the posting schedule to one video a week on legal topics surrounding that, and one video a week on something that I'm doing that's working in my business to build my online business. So let me know if that works for you. Thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the comment button below. Let me know what you're doing with your business and whether or not you think this is a good idea for me to launch some sort of e-course for Hawthorne Law. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the bell to get notified of new videos, and we've got live Q&As weekly as well, so you'll get notified of that. Thanks so much, folks. Have a great day.